Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to take your business processes to the next level? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create professional-looking standard operating procedures in Notion, using a free template that makes the whole process easy and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly set up SOPs that not only keep your work organized, but also look polished and are ready for your team to use or customize at any time. Let's get started right away. We're going to leverage Notion's built-in template library, which is a goldmine for anyone looking to save time and add a layer of professionalism to their workflow. First, when you open Notion, you'll see a neat little dropdown in the top left corner of your workspace. This is where the magic begins. Click on that dropdown and you'll notice a More Options section. Think of this as the backstage area of Notion, where you can find tons of pre-made resources to help supercharge your productivity. Once you're in the More Options menu, look for Browse Templates. This is your gateway to Notion's template universe. Here you can either scroll through what's available or even easier, use the search bar to type in standard operating procedures. Don't worry if you see a few different template options pop up. This just means you've got choices for different styles and layouts. Take a moment to look over any versions that catch your eye. Some may have a more structured format, while others include additional guidance or example procedures. If you're setting up SOPs for a marketing team, for example, you might prefer a template with space for creative assets. Or if you're working in operations, you might appreciate one that's a bit more checklist-driven. Once you find a standard operating procedure template that suits your needs, go ahead and click Add. Notion will automatically add it to your workspace, so you don't have to worry about downloading or fiddling with extra steps. At this point, your blank SOP template will appear in your workspace, ready for you to make it your own. Now you'll want to start customizing. You'll notice the template already has a professional look. That's one of the biggest advantages here. Everything from the fonts to the layout is designed to make your instructions clear and easy to follow. All you need to do is click into the template and fill out the key details. Start by adding your credentials, things like your company name, the procedure owner, creation date, or contact details. This not only gives your SOP authority, but also helps anyone referencing it know who to ask for clarification. Next, let's bring in the actual substance, the creative details or the process steps unique to your business. You can add instructions, useful links, or media files that supplement your procedure and make it easier for your team to follow. If you want to make the template more personal or better suited for your workflow, feel free to tweak the colors, add your logo, or rearrange sections. Notion lets you edit almost everything, so don't hesitate to make small adjustments for clarity or visual appeal. And that's basically it. You've set up a professional standard operating procedure using Notion's free template and customized it to fit your needs. If it didn't look perfect right away, don't stress, you can always revisit and update as your processes evolve. Remember, a good SOP should be a living document, growing with your team and business. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.